Welcome to our unboxing of the all-new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech deep dives. Inside the box, Samsung keeps it minimalist. You get the phone, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool. No charging brick here. But the sleek new design more than makes up for it. The Galaxy A57 5G is a stunner, featuring a refined metal frame and a vibrant 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. With a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1900 nits, it's built for perfect visibility even in direct sunlight. Plus, with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and an IP68 rating, it's as durable as it is beautiful. Powering the device is the efficient Exynos 1680 chipset, designed for smooth multitasking and gaming. It runs Android 16 with a promise of 6 years of updates, ensuring your phone stays modern well into the future. With a 50 MP main camera for crisp photos and a 5000 mAh battery that supports for 5W fast charging, the A57 5G sets a new standard for mid-range performance. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is built to last, featuring a robust IP68 rating for water and dust resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for extra screen protection. Samsung is also promising a massive 6 years of OS and security updates, meaning this phone will stay current and secure well into 2032. With a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging support, you get a premium experience that doesn't compromise on durability or longevity.